Hello, this is Dominic for Paphos Live. I'm at the Lagoon and Imperial Beach Resort today. I was going to be flying the drone, but it's rather windy, so I thought I'd have a little wander around and do a talk instead. If my throat gives out, we just have to listen to the waves. The new kiosk there I haven't seen before. There used to be another one just there where I came from, but I don't think it had proper permission or something. Anyway, there's the hotel itself. Obviously, being April, what today? That's 24th, I think. I'm not sure, to be honest. But anyway, it's not the holiday season, so there ain't many people around, which is good for filming because it's difficult wandering around when the whole area is covered with people laying on sunbeds. Some of them might object to being filmed. I'm just walking through. Now there's a very small beach here, which is great for families with small kids because it's got a little natural, what's the word? Reef, I suppose. There's octopus water sports. So your kids can swim in there without fear of being dragged out to sea by currents or anything. You can make sand castles. Obviously there'll be more deck chairs and less woodwork around when they comes to the peak season. At the moment they're still doing their post-winter repairs. Gonna have a quick look at the rocks. Ooh dear. Brave bird. If my drone was out, that bird would be on it. So the seas are quite choppy today, which is good because it makes for a more interesting film. Oh. Red flag flying. Not sure what that means. Probably no swimming allowed or something, or don't swim as a lifeguard present. But if there's no lifeguard present, who put the flag up? And there's a red and yellow flag on the other side, just to confuse the issue. But yes, in the summertime all this is packed out, and this beach over here is the municipal beach, or one of them. The beach, the little one I just showed you, it does have a name, but I think it might be something like Waisodia. No, not Waisodia, that's the Soda Beach. But it's not a name that rolls off the tongue. There will be text accompanying this film, it will tell you all the names anyway. Now the hotel up here is the Olympic Lagoon Resort, I believe. We'll wander over to there, and if you look, there's a sort of like a little pier over there. We'll go and finish up on there. I'm not going to wander too far because I'm still getting over my bug and I don't want to push my luck. But it's a nice day, so I thought, why not? bit of seaweed on the beach. They tend to clear that up after all the winter storms are over, which can't be that much longer now. Excuse me. Oh, and if you're wondering, I have had a COVID test and there's not that. Now on the main seafront walkway, which is very popular with a lot of people. Yeah, there we go, Olympic Lagoon Resort. Lots of people on the walkway today. I would walk through there filming, but I guess I'd need to ask for permission first. So I'll save that for another day. Go on to this jetty. Actually, before we go there, I'm gonna just wander around to there's this little, I think it's a venue for weddings, or at least photographs of weddings. Oh, there's the infamous tower in the background over there. Excuse me again. Yes, here's the little wedding venue. To admit, getting married there would be quite nice. Not that I'm planning on getting married again. Totally content with my wife as it is. I was going to say current wife, but I thought that's a bit pushing it. Right. From here, just jump over those flabbers. You can't really see it, but you got the main Sodat beach over there, and beyond that you have the seafront itself and the harbour. And the walk from here to there is a lovely one along the coast path, but I'm not going to do it today. I think probably the safest way is to get back through there, and I'll walk to the end of the jetty and I'll stop filming. I might actually drive up to Sodat and do a film there as well. Parasailing boats are interesting from my point of view, because obviously when I've got my drone about, I don't want it to come into contact with a parasailer, so I always have to keep an eye out for them. Don't want to get wet. Oh, just got wet, I felt that. Mind you, a bit of fresh sea air will do me good. Now, as the floor up ahead's quite wet, I'm not going to walk any further, I don't think. I take that as a sign that the waves come that high, so I'll just stay here and pan back round. So you got Louis Imperial and the Olympic Lagoon Resort. I'll put links to both places in the film as well. If you do use the links, we get a small commission which helps pay for more films, so please bear that in mind. Thanks for watching. Bye.